Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're going to recreate Giorgio Maggiore, originally created by Monet. We're going to start today with the sky, and for our case the blue section of the sky. We will be stepping in the shoes of Monet, and he was the father of Impressionism. First of all, we're going to mix blue and white together to create a nice light blue color. And again, whilst the medium brush is loaded with enough paint, you're going to apply the paint on the canvas. As you can see, I alternate between the front and the back of my brush, almost as if I'm doing an X figure. And this way of painting is called the cross-hatching technique. And as you can see, it allows already to create nice movement and texture into the background. And this is what we would like to do for this entire canvas today. What Monet also used to do is that he would bring the color from the palette directly on the canvas and would just mix here. So for example, I take now just a bit of blue and I mix here. Even though the blue is different from the blue what I've already added on the canvas, I can just easily mix them together. Just like this. And all while applying that cross-hatching technique, the alternation between the front and the back of my brush. The final tip what I would also do is to continue the color towards the top and the side of the canvas as well, just so your canvas looks nice from every single angle. And that is of course important because by the end of this, your beautiful painting will go up on the wall, and so it is nice if it looks good from everywhere where you look at it. And the last thing what I do is that I'll also paint the top, the side and later also the bottom of the canvas. And this is important because then your canvas will look good from every single angle. Now you've applied the first section of the sky, so the blue layer. And immediately below that we're going to place the yellow layer. You have a couple of options in how to do this, but the most important outcome what we want to get is that the transition between blue and yellow will be smooth, so that you won't see like a big difference in the sky, but rather that you will have a gradual change in the transition between blue to yellow. Now, how are we going to get there? You can do that through various techniques. Again, what's important is that we're going to apply the yellow with the cross-hatching technique, the same as how we did that with the blue sky. So to create this nice transition, you have a couple of options. Now my blue has already dried in the meantime. So what I can do, I have again a couple of options. So first I could activate the blue. And that means I'm just going to put some paint on top of the blue again to make sure that this section remains wet. I'm not going to do it all the way because once I'm here, this part will be dry again. That is the nature of acrylic paint. So I'm just going to work in sections. So for example, I'm going to focus on this section. So if you have activated the blue, then below that we can add the yellow. Yellow, you're just going to mix yellow and white together. And you're going to place that below the blue. Again, cross-hatching, just like this. Nice texture, just like this. Now, as you can see, there is a big difference between the blue and the yellow. And we want to make sure that these sections nicely intermingle with each other. So what I'm going to do, now both colors are still wet. Well done on your masterpiece, your very own version of Monet's San Giorgio Maggiore. I hope this painting will deserve a nice spot for on your wall for everyone to forever admire. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!